Hi everyone. So today we are finishing up with HTML images and links, and your assignment today is going to be to focus on an in-page link, or what I call a bookmark link. So just referring to our notes, and you'll want to refer to this as you go to complete today's assignment. Remember that when we're doing an in-page assignment, you have to do two different steps for a link. The first step is going to be to mark off the area of the page where you want the link to bring the user. We use that through the A name tag. A name equals, and in quotation marks, we give it a name. In our notes, I listed that as description. It can be as simple as one word. And this goes above the area where you want the link to bring the user to. We're also going to include a closing A tag after the area which the link should take you to. This is like taking a book and putting bookmarks inside of the book so that you can easily get to the page. But the second part is actually making the link, and there's where we use the ahref tag like we have for the other type of links. The difference with this is in quotation marks, we're going to put the hashtag with the word that we gave in the a name command. We'll have the text to appear as the link and then our closing A tag to finish. So what I'm going to do is show you what today's assignment is all about. On our school website, we have a copy of our high school handbook. It's very large. If someone pulls it up, it can be very frustrating to try to scroll through all of the text. So what your assignment is to do today is to make a table of contents, similar to what you'd see on a Wikipedia page. So if you remember how Wikipedia works, if I pull it up here, and let's say I'm looking for information about the president, pull up this page, lots and lots of information. I can scroll down for quite a while. Okay, what Wikipedia does is includes a table of contents. So if I click on his family, it'll just jump me down further down on the page. So that's what we're going to do with the student handbook. So on the Google Classroom page, I have two things for this assignment. I have a PDF file with a description and telling you which table of contents links you need to include. It looks like a lot, but once you get the hang of it, it's actually pretty easy. And then the HTML file itself. So here's what you're going to do. You'll click on the HTML file. It'll open up in a page like this. We'll go to Open in New Window, and then click Download to download it to your computer. Okay, once it's downloaded, I'm going to go to Show in Folder, and I'm going to right click, choose Open with Notepad. So here's the HTML file, and all you have to do is go through and add to it to make some nice helpful links. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is just kind of scroll down to where this table of contents is going to go. And this is it right here. Now if you remember, like I said, this is a two-step process. We have to mark off the area where the link's going to take us, and we have to create the link. I'm going to do it a little bit backwards. I'm going to make the link first, and then I'm just going to make sure when I make my a name tag that I give it the exact same name. So I'm going to do ahref equals and I'm going to put in quotation marks hashtag schedule. That's the name I'm going to give it. And this link is going to take me down to the class schedule. So that's what the text will be for my link. And then I have my closing A tag. Okay, so that's my first link, but if I were to actually open this right now, it wouldn't take me anywhere. I need to actually create the bookmark where that link will take us. And that's going to be down to the area here where you can see on the page Strong Class Schedule Closing Strong Tag. Notice I called it Schedule without the hashtag. And at the end of that section, right down here, I'm going to do a closing A tag. Okay, just to make you see this a little bit more easily, what I'm going to do here is put in a bunch of break tags. And then I'm going to save my file. Now what I'm going to do is go back and open this up in the browser. And when I scroll down, here's my table of contents. Now the reason I put all those break tags was to separate it from the actual text. So I'll go back up here to the top, and if I click on class schedule, you can see that's exactly what it did. At the top of the page, it lists that class schedule. So I'd go through and repeat the process for the rest of what is in the student handbook. That's your project. Let me know if you have any questions as you work on it, and good luck.